We are in Turkmenistan. Dawn is approaching. We are about to show you real Alabai in their native land. Gaplan, known to many as Bruce Lee, is receiving a champion's diploma and cup for breed type, in conformation as well as for strength of spirit. Garahan, also called Terminator, I have seen him in action. He is powerful, uncompromising, principled, a true gladiator.
Танцор диско. Так, Гарагёс 3 года, да, ему? На Кёра восходит, собака самого Теджена.
He is 3 years old. He weighs about 65 to 66 kilograms. He stands 79 centimeters at the withers. Anatomically correct, strong back, compact body, a true working dog. Many people at shows or online have seen owners artificially posing hind and front limbs and tucking tails. It is painful to watch. Now Terminator will demonstrate how it should look naturally. This is how the hind limbs should be set without human interference. It must be natural. This is how the tail should be carried. It is a very important factor in judging dogs. I would never give preference or a high score to a dog with a tucked tail, especially among many others. A true Alabai is not just conformation, but also character, temperament, intolerance of rivals. He is the conductor of the orchestra, not a spectator, and must be at the center of events. A breeder's task is hard. They must produce dogs that are not only correct in appearance, but also have the character of a true gladiator. Only then can one proudly say, I have an Alabai. Azdar is 3 years old. On his sire side, he traces back to the famous Arvan, champion of Turkmenistan 2004. On his dam side, he traces back to the famous black Ikamen, champion of Turkmenistan 1980. His bloodlines are strong. He is breed typical and powerful and ready at any moment to defend his right to lead. Garadog means Black Mountain. He comes from the line of Black Ekamen, champion of Turkmenistan, 1980. Yaponchik is 3.5 years old. He weighs about 65 to 67 kilograms. He stands about 79 to 80 centimeters at the withers. Bandit is 2 years old. Numerous expeditions between 1938 and 1940 across Central Asia, led by the kynologist Mazover, reported that the most breed-typical specimens are found in Turkmenistan.
Самые породные особи на территории Туркмении, в частности территория Чеджена, Кахка. Кахка оттуда буквально 70 километров также.
Basar is 2 years old. He comes from the line of the famous Agush, 3-time champion of Turkmenistan, 1989, 1990, and 1991. Agush is 1.5 years old, balanced and steady. He is still young and unformed. By 3 years, he will be of a rougher, more powerful type. Akbars is 4 years old. He weighs 66 kilograms and stands about 83 centimeters tall. Gara Gaplan, also called Black Tiger, is 1 year old. Goner Khan, the Red Khan, breed typical and physically strong. He has a good top line, strong back, short, powerful neck. The depth of the chest deserves mention. Dogs like this usually breathe well and are very hardy. Yolbars, also called Lion, is 5 years old. He is a breed typical old type Alabai. Such a dog can walk 40 to 50 kilometers with a shepherd, endure a lack of water and food, and above all harsh climate, from plus 50 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius, in the desert or mountains where strong winds feel like minus 30 degrees Celsius. He has a strong back, correct set of limbs, breed typical head, and a broad occipital part of the skull. His ears are covered with hair, which protects the auditory opening from dust and dirt. This is a real working dog capable of withstanding all the hardships of a shepherd's life. Agush is 1.5 years old. No words needed. Perfectly balanced, breed typical, impressive in conformation. Soldat is a strong dog. He stands firmly on his feet. Such a dog is hard to bring down.
С поставом все в порядке у кобеля. Не помнишь, короче. Карагöz.
Azdar means dragon. He is 3 years old. Even Michael Jackson would envy his moonwalk. The owner was not nearby, so no information is available. Breed typical male. In these shots, we see a 10-year-old shepherd named Sapar and his 12-year-old friend, Pina. With them is a 2-year-old wolfhound named Akush, who is responsible for 200 sheep. Sapar is only 10, but does the work of an adult. His parents entrusted him with grazing 200 sheep, a huge responsibility. At 10, he knows this breed better than any expert, and it is easy to prove just by looking at his dog. She does not eat 3 times a day on a sofa and does not look pampered, but she is a real working dog. Meanwhile, look at world shows, where judges award first place to dogs that share with the breed only docked ears and tail. If you would like to support the channel, you can do so via the Super Thanks feature or on Patreon. The link will be in the comments. All funds will be used to create further videos about this unique breed.
Бер. Акуся. Ай, молодец, Акуся. Сапарик, нячи yaşında sen? Ау, 10 лет ему. Пенашки сколько? 12 лет. И Акуш 2 yaşa. Акуш 2. И Акушу 2 года.